At Tarkus, every day begins with a purpose. To create plastic solutions that drive industries forward. With a decade of experience, we are leaders in thermoforming and extrusion. Combining technology, talent, and the passion of everyone who makes us who we are today. Our top priority is the well-being of those who make everything possible. Strict protocols, specialized equipment, and a collaborative environment ensure not only the quality of our products, but also of each working day. We invest in advanced technology and certified processes to deliver precision. Every product undergoes strict controls to meet the highest national and international standards. Innovation is a never-ending cycle. We train our team, research new materials, and optimize every detail. Because at Tarkus, we don't settle, we evolve. We adapt solutions for all industries, from custom sheets to smart packaging, and we do it responsibly. Integrating recycled materials and eco-efficient processes to reduce our environmental footprint. At Tarkus, we shape more than plastic. We build with trust, innovation, and a sustainable future. Together, always one step ahead.